Today we're making a classic fruit tart. For our crust, we're going to use 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 10 tablespoons of butter melted, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and for our filling, we're going to use half a cup of heavy cream, 1 8-ounce container of mascarpone cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, half a cup of powdered sugar, juice of half a lemon, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the topping, we're going to use 1 cup of strawberries halved, 1 cup of blackberries, 2 mandarins, 1 cup of blueberries, and a 1/4 cup of raspberry preserve. Okay, let's get started. Let's start to make our crust. We're going to whisk together our flour, sugar, and our salt. Get all that incorporated. Okay, we have our melted butter. We're going to whisk that in. And our vanilla. And we're going to do this until a nice dough forms. You can use a whisk. I find a fork a little more manageable. Okay, just mix it up till a nice dough forms. Get that into our pan. Now we have our 10-inch tart pan as a removable bottom. We're going to put our dough right in there. And what you want to do is press it into the bottom, but you want to go up the sides too. So it takes a little bit of work to keep pressing it until it all forms. Yeah, it took a little bit of work, but there it is. Now we have a fork. What we're going to do is prick our tart crust here. And we're going to put this into an oven and cook it. Put this in our 350-degree oven for about 20-25 minutes. We're going to start the filling. We've got a half a cup of heavy cream. We're going to whip this until we have stiff peaks, nice whipped cream. Okay, we have nice stiff peaks in our whipped cream. What we're going to do is... Okay, we're going to mix our cream cheese, nice and softened, with our mascarpone cheese. And this will set out for a little bit to soften up a little bit. Now we're going to add in our powdered sugar. Our vanilla, and our lemon juice. Our filling's mixed. Now we're going to fold in our whipped cream that we made. And you just want to fold that in. And I'm waiting for my crust to come out, so I'm probably going to put this in the fridge while I'm waiting. Let's put together our tart. We have our filling. We're going to get that right in there. Okay, this is where you need to be artistic now. You set up your strawberries around the outside. Take a little time doing this, it'll look really nice. Okay, we're going to use about a 1/4 cup of our raspberry preserve with a couple tablespoons of water. And we're going to mix that into a little glaze for the top of our tart. Okay, we have a raspberry water mixture. We're just going to brush that right over. Not too much, just a little bit on the fruit. Well, there you have it, my classic fruit tart. Enjoy.